My brother is gonna try to bake. Let's see how he does. Today we're making snow, not to eat, just to play with. I'm making snow. I have a left with me. 1 cup of baking soda. Half a cup of cornstarch. Boom. Whoa. Yuppie. 1 tablespoon of cream avocado. A cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons of water. Mix. 2 big tablespoons of water. To make it nice, add some peppermints. Ooh, look! We made snow. And smell like the candy cane. After it's cold, you can put it in a fridge. Look, I'm making a snowman. Now our frozen friends can play in the snow. No. For some extra sparkle, add a little glitter to the snow. Okay, here's how you make it. Your turn.